Did you ever try this as a kid? And were you ever this successful? A dad and his son in Alaska decided to test the strength of a windstorm by slapping on rollerblades and fashioning a sail from a tarp. The experiment was a surprising success, as a powerful gust suddenly shot the boy onto a neighbor's lawn. Wind speeds in Palmer, Alaska hovered around 80 kilometers an hour on December 28th, with gusts reaching more than 140 kilometers an hour, according to NOAA. Palmer is the windiest place in the Matanuska Valley, and this windstorm can be attributed to a deep cold snap which funnels winds down the valley. Our advice? If trying to tarp sail in a windstorm, wear a helmet. The boy wasn't hurt, but everyone was surprised by the wind's incredible force.